All right, let's look at the homework 9.2, problem number 9. So we have exponential density function, so exponential distribution, and lambda is 3.3. And we want to make sure, so how much time should elapse between the maintenance period if at least 91% of the components are to remain working throughout the period? All right, so let's just set up the integral. All right, so we know that this is going to be f of t. Maybe I'll write that. All right, so lambda is 3.3, so 1 over 3.3 e to the negative t over 3.3, right? Then, so we're looking at the probability. So it's going from 0 to, we don't know t, so I don't want to use t. So I'm going to call it the t star. So this is how much time. All right, then you have 1 over 3.3 e to the negative t over 3.3 dt, right? So we want, let's see, 91% remaining, so 9% is going to be gone. So this is going to be the 9%, so 0.09, right? Set that equal to that. All right, so from here, if you integrate it, so antiderivative would be, all right, so 1 over 3.3 is just a constant. Antiderivative is e to the negative t over 3.3 divided by negative 1 over 3.3, which is the same thing as multiply by negative 3.3, which is nice. So 0 to t star, I should say. All right, then we can cancel 3.3 on the bottom, 3.3 on top. All right, so this is supposed to be equal to 0.09. Right, so this will give us, all right, this equation. So if you plug it in, so you just don't forget about the negative sign. So you have a negative e to the negative t star over 3.3 minus, but the negative sign, plus e to the 0 is 1. So this is going to be equal to 0.09. All right, then we can subtract 1. So you have a negative e to the negative t star over 3.3 is equal to negative 0.91. Right? I'm going to go ahead and multiply by negative 1 so that I don't have to see the negative sign. So that's going to be positive sign and positive sign. All right? Then I'm going to go up here since there's more room. All right, so we take the natural log of both sides. So you have a natural log of e to the negative t star over 3.3. That's equal to natural log of 0.91, right? And the natural log and the exponential function cancel out. And then what you need to do is we need to isolate t star. We can just simply multiply by negative 3.3. Right, so that way you have a t star is all by itself. It's a negative 3.3 natural log of 0.91. Right, so let's find this value, and we want 3 decimal places. So I'm going to just open up a GeoGebra. Alright, so I opened up a GeoGebra and I'm going to type in negative 3.3 times natural log of 0.91 and hit enter. And we need 3 decimal places, so you go to option, rounding, and 3 decimal places. So it's at 0.311. Alright, so it's going to be 0.311. All right, so let's type it in. So I'm going to put the 0.311 years, I guess. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.